Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create starter pack on Bluesky Social, and it's really easy and simple. So first things first, open up your Bluesky app, make sure you're logged in, then go to the bottom right, click on a profile icon right here. Then you'll probably see this option right here with your posts. What you want to do, guys, is scroll to the right. You'll see this option that says starter packs, and now you can go ahead and ask Bluesky to make one for you, or you can go ahead and create one manually. Let's just click on create. Call your starter pack whatever you want to create that, and tell them a little bit more about your starter pack, and then you can basically click on next. And then, guys, what you want to do now is you want to choose people to add to your starter pack. Choose the accounts you want to add. I'm going to add these people to my starter pack. 2 more people. There we go. We'll add these 2 people. They're in my starter pack. I'm going to press on next right here, and then now I'm going to choose some feeds. Let's choose mutuals and popular with friends. So we have to choose 3. I'm going to choose what's hot classic, and then click on finish right now, and then we should have our starter pack. Now, guys, we can share this link. Okay, we can share this link. Come here, click here to edit, or you can come here, click on share. We can share the link, and we can share the QR code as well, and save an image and share with people our starter pack. And it's really that easy and simple. So I hope this video helped you out, guys, and if it did, guys, consider smashing the like button as well as subscribing to frequently asked questions, and I'll see you in the next one.